Copyright Basics. Copyright provides protection to the authors of original works of authorship, including literary, dramatic, musical, artistic, and intellectual works. This gives copyright owners the exclusive right to reproduce the work, prepare derivative works, distribute copies by sale or other means, and perform or display the work publicly. Copyright is automatic with no action required by the creator, but works may be registered with the Copyright Office for further protection. Section 107 of copyright law is known as the Fair Use Clause. Reproduction of a work may be considered fair if the use is for criticism, comment, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, or research. Derivations that are considered parody or satire may be allowed under fair use as long as they provide commentary on the original work. Factors to be considered in determining fair use include whether the use is commercial or nonprofit or educational, the nature of the copyrighted work, the substantiality of the portion used in relation to the whole, and the effect of the use on the potential market for or value of the work. Creative Commons licenses are some rights reserved. These are less restrictive than copyright and provide a way for creators to retain some usage rights while giving away others. Creators can choose if and how a work can be copied, distributed, edited, remixed, or built upon. These works can be identified by CC symbols that indicate which of these uses are permissible. To see copyright and Creative Commons licensing in action, check out this video by CommonCraft. Or click on the Creative Commons link to view a full list of all of the different licenses. Works in the public domain have no restrictions on their use. There are 4 common ways that works arrive in the public domain. 1. The copyright has expired. 2. The copyright owner failed to follow copyright renewal rules. 3. The copyright owner deliberately places it into the public domain, known as a dedication. Or 4. Copyright law does not protect this type of work. Some items not covered by copyright include short phrases, facts or theories, and government works. As a general rule, most books published in the United States prior to 1923 are now in the public domain. Creative Commons licensing is one way of bridging the gap between unrestricted public domain works and fully restricted copyright. Copyright in education. Copyright allows for small portions of work to be reproduced for criticism, analysis, and scholarship, like when you quote sources in a paper or in a project. This is one of several reasons why citing sources correctly is so important. Copyright law also sets limitations for how and how much of a work can be reproduced for class readings. Services like e-reserves help instructors and students adhere to these rules. It is also good practice to avoid using copyrighted photos, videos, music, and other medias in your class projects. Look for Creative Commons licensed media instead, and always be sure to give credit. And remember, for more information about these or any other topics related to research and library use, don't forget to visit the Student Services page on the library website.